Hey everybody, Dr. Cranky back with another episode of the Cranky Show. We received the latest issue of the Weathering magazine from our friends over at AMMO. Our good friends at AMMO continue to really raise the bar on model building and model works. This is the issue on water, but I wanted to show you that they are, in fact, mixing it up so that, look at this. This is our very own good friend, Ian Hamilton, who has an article called Rotten to the Core, which is how to weather this, what is this, Citroen. Citroen, you have to put the nasal congestion in there. Citroen. He does a marvelous job weathering this vehicle, and so we were delighted to find his work in the pages of the Weathering magazine. And of course, it's in the water issue because he's using these, watery accents. And that's all I'm going to be able to show you from it. But we always recommend that people, subscribe to get this kind of quality eye candy. The magazine is beautifully done. It's professionally printed, and more importantly, it arrives always on a timely fashion, and we love it. So we appreciate having this kind of inspiration on a regular basis. So if you've never seen it, or go on over to the AMMO website. And our good friends there will set you up with your own subscription. It's not that expensive, and it's also it's got plenty to from issue to issue, plenty of eye candy to keep you salivating. So anyway, my friends, stay tuned in. More Cranky Show coming right up.